Hey everyone! Welcome back to 24/7 Talk English. I'm Harry.
And I'm Alex. Hello. How are you today?
I hope you are doing well. Maybe you're at home, maybe walking, or maybe standing at a bus stop right now.
Oh, yes. That's perfect for today's topic.
Exactly. Today we will practice Speak English Every Day at the bus stop.
Simple, real life English. The kind you can actually use today.
Yes, no difficult words, no stress, just easy conversation.
And if you feel nervous speaking English, don't worry. You are not alone.
That's true. Many people understand English, but when they speak, they stop.
Yeah, they think too much. Is my sentence correct? Will people laugh? Oh no, what should I say?
Yes, that happens to everyone.
Even to me sometimes.
Same here, even after years of speaking English.
So today, we will help you feel more relaxed, more confident, and more natural.
Let's imagine a situation. You are standing at a bus stop. You don't know someone next to you. You want to speak, but you feel shy.
Yeah, I can feel that situation. You look at your phone, you look around, but you don't speak.
Exactly. But today, we will change that.
Yes! Let's practice together.
Okay, Alex, let's start simple. You are at the bus stop. I am a stranger. You want to start a conversation. What can you say?
Maybe. Excuse me, is this the bus stop for City Center?
Perfect! Very simple, very natural.
And easy to remember.
Let's say it again slowly. Excuse me, is this the bus stop for City Center? Now you say it, aloud. Good, very good.
Even if you already know, you can still ask.
Yes, it's just a way to start talking. Now I reply, yes, it is.
Then I can say, "Oh, thank you."
Nice. And now, conversation starts.
Yeah, small step, big confidence.
Let's continue. I say, are you going to City Center?
I reply, "Yes, I go there every day."
Simple present, very easy.
No grammar tension, just speak.
Now, let's add a little more. I ask, what time does the bus usually come?
I say, "I think it comes at 9:30.
Good. Or you can say, I'm not sure, maybe in 10 minutes.
Yes, you don't need perfect answer.
Just speak something.
You know, Harry, many learners think, if I don't know everything, I should not speak.
That's the biggest mistake.
Yes, speaking is not about perfection. It's about connection.
Wow, that's a nice line.
Thank you.
Okay, listeners, now your turn. Imagine someone asks you, what time is the bus? What will you say? Say something simple like, I think it comes soon, or maybe in 5 minutes. Good, keep going. Now let's try another situation. The bus is late.
Oh, that's common.
Very common. I say, the bus is late today.
I reply,
Yes, it is always late.
True.
or I can say, I have been waiting for 20 minutes.
Nice. Or even simpler. I am waiting for a long time. Now let's make it more real. I look tired. I sigh. I think I will be late for work.
I say, oh, same here.
That's it. Conversation continues.
You see, it's not difficult.
Yes, just small sentences.
Short, clear, natural.
Let's do a mini dialogue. Listen first. Excuse me, is this bus going to the market?
Yes, it is.
Oh, great, thank you.
No problem.
Now, you repeat after us. Good job. Now, let's talk about fear.
Important topic.
Many people think, people will laugh at me.
But in real life, people don't care that much.
Exactly. They are busy with their own life.
And sometimes they feel shy too.
Yes. So what is the solution?
Start small.
Speak one sentence.
Then another.
And slowly, confidence grows. Let's take another example. You want to ask about bus number. I say, which bus goes to the hospital?
I reply,
Bus number 5. Very simple. Or if I don't know, I say, sorry, I don't know. And that's okay.
Yes, you don't need to know everything.
Now, let's practice pronunciation. Say this. Excuse me. Is this the bus stop? Thank you. Good. Very nice. Let's add a little fun. Oh, okay.
imagine you meet a friendly person. You say, hello, nice weather today, right?
Classic.
Yes, very simple conversation starter.
Now, vocabulary time.
Oh yes, let's learn some useful words.
Word 1. Bus stop. Example, I am waiting at the bus stop.
Word 2, route. Example, this bus has a long route.
Word 3.
Ticket.
Example, I need a ticket.
Word 4, driver. Example, the driver is friendly.
Word 5. Passenger. Example, there are many passengers.
Word 6, late. Example, the bus is late.
Word 7. On time. Example, the bus is on time.
Word 8, crowded. Example, the bus is very crowded.
Word 9. Empty. Example, the bus is empty.
Word 10, wait. Example, I will wait here.
Now, repeat these words slowly. Very good.
Try to use these words today.
Even one sentence is enough.
Before we finish, let's do one full conversation. Listen carefully.
Excuse me, is this the bus stop for the hospital?
Yes, it is.
Do you know when the bus will come?
I think in 10 minutes.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
No problem.
No problem. The bus is late today.
Yes, it is always late.
True. Now you practice. Repeat, speak. Don't be silent.
Remember, mistakes are okay.
Silence is the real problem.
Yes, speak more, think less.
All right, we are near the end.
Time goes fast.
Today, you learned how to speak English at a bus stop.
Simple sentences, real situations.
And more confidence.
Now, your task.
Yes, very important.
Write in the comments. What sentence will you use at a bus stop?
Even one sentence is enough.
And don't forget,
Like this video
subscribe to the channel.
And practice English every day.
We believe in you.
You can do it, step by step.
See you in the next episode. Take care.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Keep speaking.